Hi guys, it's Magi Simona, and today I want to talk to you about plants. So, I live in an apartment right now, and I have a lot of inside plants. Some of them are for food, some of them help clean the air, and other ones are just for fun. So, about a week ago, I bought these organic red beans at Whole Foods, and they're just red beans like you put in soup, or red beans and rice, that kind of stuff. And I planted some, and this one has come up, and it's about 7 days old. And when it first popped up, it was about this big, and now, as you can see, it's about double or tripled in size. And another thing that you can grow from scraps is this little green onions, or shallots. And when you buy them at the store, they're like these long green things, and they have white tips at the end with roots on them. And you just cut off those roots and put them in water, and they'll grow the green part back. And so you can just keep growing them and growing them and growing them over and over like that, which is really neat. Something else that you can grow from scraps is actually sweet potatoes. And so these are sweet potatoes that I have been growing for a couple of weeks, and they've started putting out these slips. And you call them slips because you cut them into little rectangles, and you place those in the dirt, and then they grow out into the sweet potato plant, which is usually a vine. And because it's a vine, you can grow it in a hanging basket. You place the slips in a hanging basket, make sure it's deep enough because the potatoes are the roots, and the vines will actually grow over the sides. And if you have it in a regular big garden, like I showed in my other video, it'll just trail along the ground and it can get really big. We actually grew sweet potatoes at church not too long ago, and it was a very, very high yield, which was very fun. And so they will, after a couple of days, they'll start putting out roots. As you can see on this one, it's put out some roots, and then they'll put out the little slips. And you can see all these purples and greens, and they're just really pretty. I love growing sweet potatoes. This is my first time growing the organic sweet potatoes, though, so that's nice. I'm also growing herbs. So this is peppermint, which you can use it in teas and salves and all kinds of things. It's just really fun. And so I'm growing peppermint. I'm also growing cilantro. This is cilantro, which is a spice that you use in all kinds of Italian dishes. And also basil. My basil's looking a little thirsty right now, so I need to water it. And last but not least, I have the airplane plant. And the airplane plant is a favorite of mine because it cleans the air. And so wherever you are, if you have like stuffy air or not a lot of circulation, you can have a lot of plants around and they'll filter the air and help you breathe better. And so those are the plants that I have, and I hope that you're having a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.